Hi, we are Alpha Medical System, and we are going to discuss our design and implementation for MedNet. For our product design, we thought of having a stone repository type agriculture. Because our product focuses mainly on sharing information between different users and components of our system. A shared repository allows for all information to be stored in a large database, accessed and changed by the customer using the system. For our product, we will use a ticket as the main form of transfer information between the customers, who are the doctor and the patient. So, what is the relationship between all these objects?
From the class diagram, you can see that both the patient and doctors are generalizations of the user, so both have the same attributes of email string, key integer, password string, and name string. And they have the same functions of register, login, logout, delete account, edit account, and forget password as the user. All the functions will be of a void type, as they will carry out a specific function rather than returning a value. The main attributes that make the doctor unique from a patient is that the doctor includes the attributes of insurance string, profession string, and work time integer, along with having the functions of choose ticket and view chosen ticket. For a patient, the attributes are background history string, age string, and gender string, and include the unique functions of create ticket, edit ticket, and view doctor's information.
Okay, so the ticket attributes that will be accessed by the user are the ticket description string, ticket ID integer, date open string, user key integer, and availability string with the functionality to resolve the ticket. Since the ticket is the main object that links both the patient and doctor together and vice versa, the main functionality of our system revolves around the ticket. As a group, we decided that the patient's create ticket functionality and the doctor's choose ticket functionality are the two most necessary functionalities in order for the system to function. For each of these functions, we have created a sequence diagram that illustrates each component of our system and how they will interact.
For the create ticket function, the patient must log in and be verified by the user database. From there, the patient will be able to import information into a ticket and insert it into the ticket database. If the information is correctly formatted, the ticket will be accepted and the ticket database will return an OK message back to the user. Else, the ticket database will return an error message back to the user. For choose ticket function, the doctor will log in and be authenticated into the system. When the doctor views tickets and an open ticket exists, the doctor will choose the ticket and the system will update the ticket in the ticket database. Else, the ticket database will report no open ticket is found. In both sequence diagrams, the doctor and patient will also have the option to not carry out the listed functions or simply log out after they log in.
We designed our system this way in order to minimize the communication between each component of our system, fundamentally improving performance. Now, to implement our system design, we will code the structure in Java using Eclipse IDE while coding the databases in MySQL. To compile our code apart from the IDE, we will use an ANT build script generated from Eclipse. This obviously requires the source code, but to build the source code, you will need the build.xml file. In any compiler, simply run the build.xml file as an ANT build and the source code should be compiled. And again, we are Alpha Medical Systems and this is MedNet.